my YouTube channel Being Prita. So on today's video I'm going to make a DIY seed mask. So to start with, let's define what seed masks are. These beauty tools are basically a face shaped seeds that have cut out spaces for eyes, nose and mouth, and then it coated and drenched with some concentrated serum. The composition and ingredients of these serums may vary based on the benefits that each seed mask proclaims to offer. These seed masks, like other beauty innovation, have their own origin in South Korea, known as dedication and innovation for skincare and cosmetic industry. Then what benefit does this seed mask offer? Seed mask can be great for your skin more ways than one. It hydrated your skins, it add radiance and clear your complex, it can nourish your skin. Basically it is a refreshment tool that can give you a ultimate refreshment. So on today's video I'm going to make some detoxifying seed masks. For that we need to make a mask first. To make a mask you can take some soft cotton or fiber clothes or paper towels. Today I'm going to use these refreshing wipes, and I already cutted out this refreshing wipe some small teeny parts so that it can make the job that the mask needed to do. You can use whatever you have. You can use baby wipes or cotton pads, etc. So now we are going to make the serum. For that we need milk, aloe vera gel and green tea. Milk and green tea will serve as potent antioxidant that will make your skin more smooth and supple, and the aloe vera gel will make your skin calm and relaxed. So what you have to do is take a bowl and mix together equal parts of milk, green tea and aloe vera gel. Okay, so for aloe vera gel I am using this Wow Skincare aloe vera gel. It is a good quality aloe vera gel. If you wanted to use the natural aloe vera gel, then you can use that, or you can use whatever aloe vera gel you have. Then using a spoon whisk formula together until it blends evenly. Then gently dip your DIY mask into the bowl until it is fully saturated in that formula. Then remove the mask from formula and squeeze excess liquid gently over a face and leave on for 20 minutes. After applying the whole mask, you can apply the extra serum on the seed mask like this way. So I will be back after 20 minutes and will share the result with you all. So yeah guys, 20 minutes are over and now I'm gonna remove this seed mask.
and you can see that I am having a detoxified and hydrated face. My skin is now feeling like so calm and supple. On these summery days you can use this DIY skin mask just to relax your face.
So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. If you like my video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to comment down below about your thoughts and suggestions, and also subscribe my channel and press that bell icon. Till then, keep loving, keep watching, keep sharing, and spread happiness as much as you can. Don't be panic. Stay at home, stay healthy, stay hydrated. Till then,